Welcome to the lectures on the course of electrical circuits and network analysis. This is a very basic course, a very fundamental course that is designed for the undergraduate students, that is BE or BTech level of electrical and electronics engineering. The course basically requires two prerequisites, that is basic electrical engineering and engineering mathematics. This course has several outcomes that has been mentioned here with the corresponding Bloom's taxonomy level and the following proper action verbs. After successful completion of this course, the students will be able to explain different applications of circuit components. Also, they can apply different methods to solve any kind of network problems. The students can analyze various complex problems related to the different circuit combinations. Also, they can evaluate the circuit problems using different tools. And lastly, the students can design different electrical networks to develop the hardware prototype. Okay. So, in this course, various topics will be covered so that the students can solve any networks very efficiently or very effectively. This course will begin with different types of signals and networks. Network consists of several sources that are voltage source or current source. Also, a network consists of the several circuit parameters, like there are three basic parameters: resistance, inductance, and capacitance. Okay, and their representation in the network should be clearly discussed. Okay, and there are the two major rules to solve any type of circuits on network, that is KCLs or KVL. But there are some universal network theorem. However, the universal network theorem helps us to reduce any complex network into a simpler form, and so that you need not require to write or to analyze all the KCL or KVL equation. Next thing is the analysis of network using graph theory. Look, the graph theory is the totally different chapters, but in this course we will learn the applications of graph theory in solving the different network problems. Okay. Next, we will cover the magnetic coupled circuits. In the circuits, there are two coils that are mutually coupled, so their characteristics should be clearly discussed in this course. Next, we will cover the steady state and the transient analysis of any network containing DC and AC sources. That is basically the Laplace transform analysis. Okay. Next, we will cover the resonance occurred in electrical circuits due to the presence of inductance and capacitance, and from there we will learn to determine the quality factor. Okay. Next, we will cover the harmonic analysis of different types of signal. That is basically the Fourier analysis. And after that, the two-port network analysis. The two-port network means there are two input port and the two output port, two dedicated output port that contains voltage and current, and the relationship between the two-port network parameters we will also discuss. And lastly, different types of active and passive filters and their response in the practical circuits, their implementation we will also discuss, right? So these are the recommended books for this course, and the students may follow any one of them for their reference. I think you all will enjoy the course, and the module wise discussion will be available in our next lecture series. Okay, thank you.